have traveled around the world, but I like to wake up here, near Barcelona. When I'm far away, I close my eyes and I can live that moment. Enjoy the sea, visit the mountains. That is really disconnecting. In every landscape of Catalonia, you can experience unique sensation. In my career, effort is the key in experiencing every successful moment. I have learned that here, in my land, where we all know that by working every day, we can be the person we dream of being. This is the spirit of Catalonia, not conforming, learning, overcoming. Because here, we believe in creativity, in tradition, and in the desire to dream. This makes us feel more alive every day. I'm lucky to have been born in Catalonia, enjoying its flavors, the magic of its places, and embracing its culture. But do you know what the best thing is? That in Catalonia, you can experience it all. Catalonia. Live it.